What's up guys, welcome back. We're going to be solving another question in today's video, and we have the question 17 from the third chapter of the Meriam textbook, and we have the winch that takes in cable at a constant rate of 200 millimeter per second, and if the cylinder mass is 100 kilogram, we need to determine the tension in the cable 1, and we neglect all the friction. So first of all, in the first line we have the constant rate, and that's gonna be a sign for us that we are in equilibrium equation, since we have sum of all forces equal to mass times acceleration. And when we have a constant rate, that means the derivative of rate over time will be 0, which would be the acceleration. So we have the same rate or velocity for moving of this cables, meaning that no acceleration, and no acceleration means sum of all forces equals 0, and we are in equilibrium. So let's start with the left part of this in here. So let's start with the pulley in here. So if we look at the free body diagram of this pulley, we have the weight in here, which is 100 kilograms. So mass times, we know weight is equal to mass times g. Our g is acceleration of gravity, 9.81 meter per square second. So that's going to give us the weight. And we have one single cable, which is called cable 2. So we're going to call it T2. That's going to go over this pulley in here. And from here, if we do sum of all forces in y direction, let's call this one our positive side for y. We basically have T2 plus T2 minus W is equal to 0. And 2T2 is W, meaning our T2 is W over 2, or 981 divided by 2. So T2 will be 490.5 Newton. So this will be Newton. And that's that for the tension in cable 2, but we are interested in the tension in cable 1. So if we look at this pulley, and we draw the free body diagram for that pulley in there. So we can call this pulley 2 and this pulley 1. So let's call it the free body diagram of pulley 2, and let's call the other one free body diagram of pulley 1. So for that one, so I'm talking about this pulley right here, so we have the T2 at the bottom and one single cable that goes around. I'm just going to clean up, we can see it better. So this will be a one single cable, which is the what we call it T2, and we have one single cable in here, and we have one single cable in here, which will be our T1. So if we look at the free body diagram of this pulley, we have on top T1, so we'll end up with 2 T1 upward and 1 T2, which is the red force in here. And again, we can do the sum of all forces in y direction. This will be our positive sign. So basically we have 2 T1 minus T2 is equal to 0. And our T1 will be T2 divided by 2. We already found that our T2 is 490.5 divided by 2. So our T1 will be basically 245.3 Newton. And that would be the final answer for this question, and what the question is asking, to find the tension in the cable. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys find this one helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment. It's going to help me to reach out to more students. And you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.